Juba Dalvi from Goa Police. Today, I am your Public Information Officer. I wish to share important information to protect you and safeguard your money during daily use of ATM machine at your local bank. ATM scams comes in various forms. This is one type of excellent device that is used by scammers to steal your card details. This is placed over official slot card and record your data. Be mindful to check if you are inserting your card in the original slot. Scammers also use wireless cameras to obtain your details. These are very small devices and are cleverly hidden anywhere. For example, here. Do not proceed with your transaction without covering your hand on the above the keypad before reading the PIN. DGP Goa Police Dr. Muktesh Chandar has announced cash reward of 1,000 rupees to all citizens and tourists for bringing to a notice any such scamming device, and a cash reward of 5,000 rupees if scammers are caught. Protect yourself from being victim of ATM scams. Be aware of your surroundings. Criminals can be anywhere. Signing off, this is Inspector Juba Dalvi at your service and for your protection.